basically, this is like the Oscars for fashion, so I am very, very excited about this. I don't really know what I'm wearing. You ready?
You know how Celeste's daily vlogger. I don't miss vlogs. I haven't vlogged one. But now it's 7:37 p.m.
But that lighting is different. Okay. This morning, I drove back from the Team 10 house very early. Oh, because I feel lonely. Normally I have Courtney and Shannon in here with me, or like Jake, or Via, or JC, or somebody. Also, I have something called the Daily Front Row Awards today, which is why I'm heading back to West Hollywood so freaking early. Basically, this is like the Oscars for fashion, so I am very, very excited about this. I don't really know what I'm wearing yet, though, so that's an issue. But, I'm gonna do some
Fake breaking. I didn't even pick one of those up.
You think I'm crazy? I am.
Meet me in the middle.
I only love my bed and my mom.
And now I have, whoa, gotta go. Nope. And now I have made it back to West Hollywood.
And I'm back.
Guys, I really have no idea what the hell we're gonna do again today.
But I have a hot doctor tomorrow.
It's a weekend. It's a VIA.
American vlog.
Let's see if
Because I think they have hot water.
JC, where are you? Why? Are you pooping? Good morning, girls. I see you have moved very far from yesterday. That is all I have for today's vlog. Guys, what are we gonna do today? On the count of three, say what you're thinking. 1, 2, 3. Smoothie! Oh wait, what did you say? I said party. What'd you say? I said shopping. And I said smoothie. We could do all three. Okay. Guys, I hate giving out free brand deals, but can we just give it up for Celsius, please? It is officially time to party, smoothie, and shop. Are you girls ready to go? Yes. Oh, I'm really good at filming myself, Shannon. I'm gonna let you take over from here. Okay, bye. Guys, I was coming over here to park at Sonia's house, and we just like ran into her on the street. Basically, you look a lot better than you did yesterday. No, just a guy with a vlog mouth. Can you tell them why I'm picking up shoes early? Going to the, I don't. These are kind of nice. Those are perfect. But like, am I gonna look skinny in them? I'm here to party. Did you pick this out? These are cutie. You should do that with the coffee. Thank you for shopping at Sonia Young Styles. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's what you should say to people when they leave. Okay, bye. Well, guys, that was a successful party. I got some new bling bling in my ears. Bling bling. I think this is a good time to point out that if you haven't already noticed, there's like a girl gang forming here, and that's all I'm gonna say for a couple more weeks. It's time to go shopping. Courtney, are you ready to shop? Let's go. Shannon,
Yup.
you're allergic to shopping, so you can
Shut up. I am not allergic to shopping.
roll the everything. Can we get a photo of that?
I hate
See,
you.
yes, you are. It is just a wall. That was a successful little pit stop. Courtney got some cool sunglasses. I got nothing because all I can think about is how bad I have to pee. So I can't really focus on anything but that. Shannon, Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
How's
I'm
your
still alive.
How's your allergic reaction?
Can we talk about that?
114. That's like aggressive. Yeah.
Like aggressively soon?
Like aggressively far. Think about how long it takes to make a smoothie.
Oh my god, no. Smoothies on Postmates, you're lucky if you get it in less than an hour.
Should we just learn how to make our own? I mean, honestly, what's in there? A banana? That was a successful shopping trip. Hi, Smooshy. You little Smooshy, tushy, wooshy, wooshy. JC? Come here. No, that's not even what I'm concerned about. Why do you drink your juice from a shoe? He's gotta go.
You ever drunk Bailey's from a shoe?
Okay, guys, so we just got back and we drank our smoothies, but we forgot to record it because we were so hangry, and I figured we could do a little bit of story time. Sorry, my ADD is kicking in so hard. Guys, also, I forget. I literally forget. Story time! Story time. So basically, I'm going to tell you guys about the time I broke my jaw and chipped every single tooth in my mouth. But on the left side in the very, very back, so like it's fine. So basically, like 4 years ago, I go to visit Nashville, Tennessee for the first time, and I'm staying with a friend like in a dorm room, and I used to be a sleepwalker, guys. Like, number one, this is the main point of the story. I used to sleepwalk like outside and look for birds. My mom would have to like go fetch me in the middle of the night. I would like sleepwalk and eat like Chex Mix. Apparently, I'd wake up in the morning getting ready for school, and there'd be like Chex Mix in my drawer. I would drink chocolate milk in the middle of the night. I would just like do all this stuff. But at this point in my sleepwalking career, it was like very harmless. Just like getting extra calories at night, apparently. Is that a thing? Do people? I think that's a thing. We'll talk about that later. But okay, so fast forward, I hadn't stopped walking about like a year and a half, and I'm staying in the dorm room, right? And apparently, like, I wake my friend Haley up. I'm like, Haley, I
How far does Big Tobacco go to keep people hooked?
Big Tobacco designed cigarettes to be more.
Here's a story of a lovely lady who was raising 3 kids all on her own. All of them had super swag, like their mother. The youngest one hair curl. Here's a story of a man named Brady who had perfect teeth the same color as snow. And his baby girl Kamari, his only child, she was all alone. Until one day when royalty met Cordero, and they both knew it was realer than the front. They decided to connect and make a family and have a lot of fun. Good morning, guys. That was a fun party last night. Towel, Jalea, a towel. Hurry, Jalea. Kamari, it's almost time for you to go home. But not today. Yeah. Carnation, did you have fun getting pranked last night? Do you even remember what happened? Carnation, you okay? Oh, my. Oh, that's good. My doorbell rang, and to my surprise, it was a happy birthday. CJ So Cool, I'm your biggest fan. I hope you like your birthday gift. Please do a YouTube video the day it gets to your house, and please give me a shout-out birthday gift from Jaden. Exactly what it was, all right? Now, obviously, you guys know where it's from when you see what it is, but I was just shocked and totally caught off guard, and I got some other people that I know will be totally caught off guard and shocked. Oh, kids, come look at what I got. I'm gonna hide it with my bike. Whoa, really, cousin? Look what I got. Yeah. More edible arrangement. Wait. It's my birthday gift, man. I didn't tell y'all to open it. I want you to look. It's mine. I ain't sharing it or nothing. It's all for me. Look at Kamari back. Psych, I pranked y'all, suckers. Wait. I said I pranked y'all, meaning I'm gonna give y'all something. I ain't say tear my stuff up now. Let me open it, man. Wow, this guy went out his way to make sure that the pineapples actually said 29. Now, this is the first one that actually said something like that. The other ones just had like happy birthday chocolate things and stuff like that. But I'm forever grateful. You know me. But Jaden, if you're out there watching this video, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Are you guys gonna thank Jaden? Okay, who wants one of these chocolate lollipops? Everybody grab a chocolate lollipop. Make sure my boy Leon get one. Man, he's shady, bro. I got you. There you go. Good. Oh, he ain't even want yours. There you go, Leon. Hold on. When you ain't get one? What's in your mouth then? You a liar. What's that? Oh, it's chocolate covered, whatever those things are. Now, I'm going to eat the rest of this so y'all can just back it up, okay? Wow. 2 seconds later, this is what it looks like. It's like a Cabbage Patch. Last one upstairs right here. Honey was the last one. You the rotten egg, sucker. All right, guys. It's time for another push-up challenge. Who gonna be it? It's gonna be you? You? Or you? Rock, paper, scissors to see who go. Come on, you already been. Carnation.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ooh, Jalea gets to go. Oh. It's a tie, sucker. Oh, Jalea gets to go first. Jalea's nervous. She knows she a little weakling. What you looking for, space? You got a whole bunch of space, man.
No, let her go.
Come on, guys. Let Jalea focus and concentrate. Oh, my God. Is that it? You quit already? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
You're either ready or you're not. What's wrong?
I got 10 new guys starting tomorrow.
10.
Paul, Pauline.
Is Pauline a guy?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Dad, I'm getting some back because
15,
it's 12
16,
minutes already.
17, 18, 19,
Almost 12 minutes now. It's 12 minutes.
20,
So I'm just gonna go ahead and say
21,
bye in this vlog.
22,
So, don't